In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an FTP account in Godaddy Cpanel hosting. Understanding this process can make managing your website files much easier, enabling you to upload, download, and modify files with great efficiency. Whether you're a seasoned webmaster or just beginning your online journey, setting up an FTP account is an essential skill. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to log into your Godaddy account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the My Products page. Here, you should see all of your Godaddy products and services. Look for the web hosting section, as this is where you'll find your Godaddy Cpanel account. Once you've found your Cpanel account, click on the Manage button next to it. This will direct you to your Cpanel dashboard. The Cpanel interface might look a bit overwhelming at first, but it's packed with tools that empower you to manage various aspects of your web hosting seamlessly. Now, in the Cpanel dashboard, locate the Ftp Accounts icon under the Files section. Clicking on that will bring up the Ftp account creation screen. Here, you'll see several fields that you'll need to fill out. In the first field marked Login, you'll need to provide a username for your Ftp account. Choose something memorable and relevant, maybe something that gives an indication of what the Ftp account is for, like web uploads or backup files. Next, it's time to set up a password for your new Ftp account. Make sure to choose a strong and secure password, ideally using a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Consider using a password manager to generate and store this password safely. Below the password fields, you'll find a section labeled Directory. By default, the directory is filled in based on the username you chose. This directory is the location where your Ftp account will have access. If you want the account to have access to the root folder, make sure to remove everything after the /, but if you only want access to a specific folder, specify that here. You'll also see a quota field, where you can specify how much space this Ftp account can use. If you don't want to limit space, you can select the Unlimited option. However, setting a reasonable limit can help manage your server resources more effectively. Once you've filled out all these fields, double-check everything to ensure all information is correct. When you're ready, click the Create Ftp Account button. After a moment, your new Ftp account will be set up, and you should see it listed under the Ftp Accounts section. Congratulations, you now have a fully functioning Ftp account on your Godaddy Cpanel hosting. You can use an Ftp client like FileZilla to connect using the details you just created. Don't forget to keep your credentials safe and monitor your account to ensure your files are managed securely. Hopefully, this tutorial helps you to streamline your website management process. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and guides.